Sit back on the track.
Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? Today we got a great show for you. I'm going to show you how to use that SSL Drumstrip plugin. Just stay tuned, and it's going to be a good show, and I'll show you what we got. Yo, 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 what's going on? Check this out. I got a really cool tool that I use on just about all my drums, and I want you guys to check this out and tell me what you think, and also educate you guys on how useful and how many, this is like the Swiss Army knife of drums. So I'm going to get to it. I'm going to show you what we got going on. I'm going to pull this plugin up right now, and it's going to be a good time. All right, so check this out. I'm popping in to the plugin window. I'm going to use it as an audio unit. And let's see, find my SSL, pull this up, the native drum strips. I got a prepared loop for you guys already. I'm just going to go ahead and Command D, duplicate this, and then hit Command L and loop that. All right, and then I'll just give it a listen real quick. Oh, actually, let me gain stage that for you so I don't blow you guys' heads off. Probably around 8. Just give it a little bit louder, and I'll do that. All right. All right, it's kind of a cool, trappy drum loop. You know what I mean? So this plugin has 5 parameters, right? Over here we have the low frequency enhancer, high frequency enhancer, my favorite, the transient shaper, and then the listening mic compressor. Honestly, that's my least favorite part of the plugin. And then there's a gate. So this is also really good for live drum usage. Very universal plugin. So I'm gonna go in. My favorite thing is to start with the transient shaper and really get things punching. So I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna hit you with that gain, right? And then start throwing in the amount. You can see what it's doing to the transients. Turn it off. Back on. And then I'm gonna adjust the speed. Get that snare more poppier. All right, now let's go to the high frequency enhancer. See what it's doing to the hi-hats and the whole overall top end. I'm gonna sweep the frequency, add a little drive to it. Yeah, I like that. Now I'm gonna adjust the amount back down a little extra, but we gotta hear what we're doing, right? Check it out. Now I'm gonna bypass it and add it back in. This is with it off. You can tell immediately, just all the excitement gets down. It just drops out of the drum loop. Slide that back in. And it just really enhances the overall drum sound. Now, let's say we want to, balance that back out and get that kick boomy again. We lost some of that impact, right? Let's bring that back. Low frequency enhancer, we're going to add a little drive, increase the amount to hear it. We'll just turn it, see what's happening here. Bring the amount down. Maybe see what the lower frequency sound like at a 127. Yeah, I liked it definitely at 127. That was definitely getting a good punch in. back down. Sweeten it back in. You see? And I'm going to bypass the entire plugin right now. All right, I'm going to bring it back in. Everything's more lively. So that's just a quick tip. A very useful tool. Let me know if you like it, if you use it, some of your applications. And see if there's anything we can talk about. But this is one of my favorite plugins, and if you don't have it, it's definitely a useful tool in all genres, applications, and I'd be interested in see what you guys have uses for it or whatnot. This is actually a re-release plugin from SSL, and it was discontinued for a while on their Duende suite. One of my favorites. Bernard Johnson at Noise Factory Studios put me onto this one. Man, I can't get enough of it. I use it every time. It's just part of my fucking workflow at this point. But I hope you guys like it. Drop a like, subscribe, a comment. Tell me what you think about this application, and if you were wondering any other uses of how I implement things in Ableton, Pro Tools. This is across the board, RTAS, VST, just a useful tool. So just let me know what you guys got. Smash that like button. Thank you.